Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see all your photos that you have on your Rockstar Games account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To get started, go to the official Rockstar Games account, then log in with your email and password. Once you are logged in now, click on this profile icon and then head to friends. From friends, if you click on my friend, you'll be taken to this account where you can see games, friends, crews, jobs, as well as photos. To see all your photos you have on the account, click on photos, and here you can see I currently do not have any photo to show. For your case, if you had uploaded or added photos, you should be able to see them here. You can also sort these photos if you click on this filter icon. Now here you can see photos based on platforms, photo type, as well as date, which may include anytime today, last week, last month, and even last year. You can also sort them by popularity or even date. So that's how you can find all your photos on Rockstar Games. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.